Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put money in your Venmo account. Before we get started, it's important to note that in order to add money to your Venmo balance manually, you must have the Venmo debit card. Without the debit card, this feature will not be available in your account. Getting the Venmo debit card is very easy. All you need to do is provide your current address. To apply, open the Venmo app and go to the section labeled Cards. If you already have the Venmo debit card, you'll see it listed there. If not, there will be a button that says Apply. Tap on that button and confirm your address. Once you submit your application, your Venmo debit card should arrive at your address in a couple of weeks. After receiving and activating your debit card, you'll be able to add money to your Venmo balance. To begin, open the Venmo app and go to the Me tab. This is usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Under your profile information, you'll see your Venmo balance. Right below the balance, there is an option that says Add Money. Tap on that. Now the app will ask you to choose the source of the money you want to add. You can select a linked bank account, a debit card, or other options like cash or check deposit if available. For this tutorial, we'll use a bank account. So go ahead and select Bank. Next, enter the amount you would like to add to your Venmo balance. You can add any amount you want. For this example, I'll just add $1. After entering the amount, you'll need to select the bank or debit card you want to use for the transfer. If you haven't already linked a bank account or card, the app will prompt you to add one. Follow the instructions to connect your bank account securely. Once the payment method is set, tap on Next. Double-check all the details and confirm that the source and amount are correct. Then, tap Add to complete the process. Just like that, you have now added money to your Venmo balance. The transfer may take 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on your bank. That's it. Thank you for watching.